Sleep, more than a mere act of rest, is a health necessity. But what if getting good quality sleep becomes a challenge? This is a question many of us have faced as we toss and turn in the darkness, our minds buzzing with the events of the day or the worries of tomorrow. Sleep is more than just a passive state of rest. It's an active, essential process that helps maintain our mental, physical, and emotional health. But in our fast-paced, always-on world, quality sleep often eludes us. Be it stress, lifestyle choices, or just the blue light from our screens, our sleep is frequently under siege. And when sleep suffers, so too does our overall wellness. Yet, nature offers us a bounty of remedies to support our slumber. From the hormone that regulates our sleep-wake cycle to the fragrant herb that soothes our senses, natural sleep aids can be a powerful ally in our quest for quality sleep. Today, we delve into the world of natural sleep aids, their benefits, potential side effects, and how to use them. Let's embark on this journey of discovery and unlock the secrets to a better night's sleep. First on our list is melatonin, a hormone your body produces when it's time to sleep. Now let's delve a little deeper into this fascinating hormone. Melatonin is often referred to as the sleep hormone because of its crucial role in regulating our sleep-wake cycles. As darkness falls, our bodies start to produce more melatonin, signaling that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Conversely, as the sun rises and light increases, melatonin production decreases, indicating that it's time to wake up and be active. Melatonin has several benefits as a sleep aid. It can help us fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and improve the quality of our sleep. This is especially beneficial for those with insomnia or other sleep disorders, as well as people who travel frequently across different time zones and struggle with jet lag. However, it's important to note that while melatonin can be helpful, it's not a magic bullet. It should be used in conjunction with good sleep habits, like maintaining a regular sleep schedule, avoiding screens before bedtime, and creating a quiet, dark, and comfortable sleep environment. Now you might be wondering, are there any side effects? The answer is yes, but they're usually mild and go away on their own. These can include headaches, dizziness, and daytime sleepiness. If you're considering taking melatonin supplements, it's always a good idea to talk to your healthcare provider first to ensure it's safe for you. So, how should you use melatonin? The general rule of thumb is to start with a low dose, about 1 to 3 milligrams, about 30 to 60 minutes before you plan to sleep. This can be adjusted based on your individual needs and response. Remember, melatonin is not a long-term solution. It's best used for short-term sleep issues, like adjusting to a new sleep schedule or recovering from jet lag. Melatonin, a natural way to help your body prepare for sleep. Let's move on to the next natural remedy. Next, we have valerian root, often referred to as nature's tranquilizer. Now, let's delve into the world of traditional medicine, where valerian root has been a stalwart for centuries. Originating from Europe and parts of Asia, this plant has been utilized by healers of yore for its sedative and calming properties. Today, it's making a comeback, proving that old wisdom can indeed harmonize with modern science. So, how does this nature's tranquilizer work its magic? It's all about increasing the levels of gamma-aminobutyric acid, or GABA, in your brain. GABA is a neurotransmitter that regulates nerve impulses, and when its levels are high, your brain activity lowers. This, in turn, induces a sense of tranquility and relaxation, setting the stage for a good night's sleep. But what makes valerian root particularly fascinating is that it doesn't just help you fall asleep, it also improves the quality of your sleep. This means you wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated, ready to seize the day. Now, before you rush to brew a cup of valerian tea, let's talk about potential side effects. While generally safe, valerian root may cause mild side effects in some people, including headaches, digestive problems, and even vivid dreams. It's always wise to start with a small dose and see how your body responds. And remember, if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on certain medications, it's best to consult a healthcare professional before using valerian root. So, how do you use this natural sleep aid? One popular method is valerian tea, steeped from the plant's dried roots. Sipping this herbal brew about an hour before bedtime can help usher in a peaceful slumber. You can also find valerian in various over-the-counter supplements, making it a versatile addition to your sleep-enhancing arsenal. Valerian root, a traditional remedy now backed by science. There's something incredibly reassuring about that, isn't there? This humble plant, used by our ancestors for its calming properties, continues to lull us into a deep restorative sleep. It's amazing how nature always seems to have our backs. Another powerful sleep aid is magnesium, a mineral that plays a vital role in our body. From bolstering the immune system to maintaining nerve and muscle function, magnesium is a key player in our overall health. But where it truly shines is in its ability to enhance sleep quality. Often referred to as the relaxation mineral, magnesium is a natural muscle relaxant that helps to quiet the mind and body, paving the way for a good night's sleep. It works by activating the parasympathetic nervous system, the system responsible for getting you calm and relaxed. Magnesium also regulates the hormone melatonin, which guides sleep-wake cycles in your body. A deficiency in magnesium can lead to insomnia and other sleep disorders. So, how do you know if you're getting enough? Symptoms of magnesium deficiency can include muscle cramps, fatigue, and even irregular heartbeat. If you're experiencing these symptoms, it might be worth considering a magnesium supplement. Taking magnesium for sleep can be as simple as incorporating magnesium-rich foods into your diet. Foods like almonds, spinach, and even dark chocolate are packed with this marvelous mineral. But if food isn't cutting it, you might want to consider a magnesium supplement. Magnesium supplements come in various forms like capsules, tablets, and even powders that can be mixed into drinks. But remember, before starting any new supplement regimen, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. Like any supplement, magnesium can have potential side effects. Some people might experience stomach cramps or diarrhea, particularly when taking high doses. So it's important to start with a lower dose and gradually increase it as your body adjusts. Magnesium, a mineral that could be your ticket to better sleep. It's natural, it's effective, and it's ready to help you unlock the door to a restful night's sleep. Last but not least, we have lavender, a fragrant herb with sleep-inducing properties. Imagine a scent so soothing that it lulls you into a state of deep, restful sleep. That's exactly what lavender, renowned for its distinctive aroma, can do for you. Revered for centuries for its calming and relaxing properties, lavender is a natural sleep aid that can help you drift off into dreamland with ease. Lavender works its magic by interacting with the neurotransmitter GABA to quiet the nervous system. This tranquilizing effect reduces anxiety, restlessness, and insomnia, paving the way for a good night's sleep. It's like nature's lullaby, singing you softly to sleep. But it's not just about sleep quantity. Lavender also improves sleep quality. Studies have shown that it increases the percentage of deep restorative sleep, meaning you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the day. Now, you might be wondering, how do I incorporate lavender into my sleep routine? Well, there are several ways. You can use lavender essential oil in a diffuser or add a few drops to your bath water. Or, for a more direct approach, try placing a lavender sachet under your pillow. The gentle aroma will waft up, lulling you into a peaceful slumber. But as with all good things, moderation is key. While lavender is generally safe for most people, it can cause mild skin irritations in some when applied topically. And remember, it's meant to complement good sleep practices, not replace them. So if you're battling with sleepless nights, why not give lavender a try? Its soothing scent could be the key to unlocking a world of peaceful, restorative sleep. Lavender, a fragrant solution to your sleep problems. While these natural sleep aids can be effective, they are not a cure-all solution. Indeed, it's crucial to remember that these remedies are designed to supplement, not replace, good sleep practices and habits. Think of it like this. If your sleep habits are the foundation of a house, then these natural aids are the decorative elements that make it more comfortable and appealing. However, without a solid foundation, even the most beautiful decorations won't prevent the house from collapsing. In the same way, you need to establish good sleep habits first and foremost. What does this mean in practice? It's about creating a consistent sleep schedule, making your sleeping environment conducive to rest, and prioritizing sleep as an essential part of your daily routine. It's about recognizing that sleep is not a luxury, but a necessity, and treating it as such. But there's another element to this discussion that we need to address: individual responses. Just as no two people are alike, no two people will respond to these natural sleep aids in exactly the same way. What works wonders for one person might have little effect on another. So, it's important to listen to your body and find what works best for you. You might need to experiment with different remedies or even combine them to achieve the best results. Lastly, we need to talk about the need for more research on the long-term effects of these supplements. While they have been shown to be effective in the short term, we don't yet fully understand their long-term implications. As always, it's recommended to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. So while these natural sleep aids can certainly help improve your sleep quality, they are just one piece of the puzzle. A balanced lifestyle, good sleep hygiene, and a personalized approach all play significant roles in achieving quality sleep. That being said, these remedies offer a natural, non-pharmaceutical option to support your sleep health. They are worth considering as part of a holistic approach to sleep improvement. Remember, a balanced lifestyle and good sleep hygiene are the foundations of quality sleep. So keep striving for that balance and don't forget to prioritize your sleep. After all, a well-rested you is the best version of you, ready to face whatever the day brings. Sleep, a key player in our health, can be improved with the help of these natural remedies. We've dived into the depths of understanding how supplements like melatonin, the sleep hormone, and valerian root, nature's tranquilizer, can aid in better sleep. We've also unearthed the benefits of magnesium, the relaxation mineral, and lavender, the fragrant sleep aid. But remember, these are not replacements for good sleep practices and habits. They're like the cherry on top of a well-balanced sleep routine. It's important to note that the effectiveness of these remedies may vary from person to person, and more research is needed to fully understand their long-term effects. Always exercise caution, consult your healthcare provider, and listen to your body when it comes to your health. So whether you're a night owl trying to become an early bird or just someone looking to enhance their sleep quality, these natural remedies could be worth exploring. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and here's to better sleep.